2016 Dash Ram. We're gonna fix the po521 engine oil pressure switch. All right, in this case we're gonna replace it, then we're gonna come back and erase the code. And one quick note, so you'll be able to erase the code, you have to have just the ignition on, not running. In Chrysler, if the car is running, it will not shut it off. Okay, so we're gonna go in the front. We're gonna find this switch, oil pressure switch. We have the new one right here. It costs $40 all the way down there. Let me see, where are you? Where is it, this thing? Right there. It's this one right there. What happened? Alright, so we gotta unplug it, and then we're gonna use this 1 1/16 socket. If you can get your hands on one of these sockets, that'd be very handy. It's made for the sensors. Okay, so they're very cheap. You can get them in any part store. So now we're gonna go ahead and disconnect it. See if I can put my hand without put it into the video. Come on, you. Okay, you got it disconnected, and you gotta do is push the little knob underneath. Let me move my hand so you can see it. Right there. In this case, it was underneath. Sometimes it's in the top. It depends where you finish tightening it up. This little knob, you push it in and you pull it. Do not pull it from the wires. Pull the plug. Okay, because you might pull the wires out of the plug, and now you have another problem. Alright, so now we're gonna put the socket with extension. First I'm gonna do the socketo, and then I do the ratchet. Okay, I got my socket with the extension. I'm gonna slide it in. Come on, you, all the way in. That's it.